everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to disable two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's get right into it. First thing is to launch your Snapchat app. After opening your Snapchat, what you're going to do is go to your profile, which is on the top left corner right here. After doing so, here you can see your profile has been opened, and in order to go to your settings, what you're going to do is tap on this setting icon that you can see in the top right corner right here. After tapping on settings, here you can see your informations are given in here. You will also be able to see the option of two-factor authentication option here. Tap on it. And here you can see my SMS verification is turned on. You might have turned your authentication through app, so your authentication app might be turned on. In order to turn off the authentication, simply just tap on the green button and make it gray. Here you can see right now my SMS verification is turned on. Simply just tap on it in order to turn off. You can see there is a warning given to me. Simply just tap on OK. And like this, you can see I have now successfully disabled two-factor authentication on my Snapchat. You can see my two-factor authentication is no longer enabled on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.